Hi, I'm glad to have you here. I'm Oluwakemi and this is JAMB Physics 2017, which goes thus. When impurities are added to pure semiconductors, what happens to their conductivity? There are two things we need to consider regarding impurities. Okay, first is that impurities usually, but not always, add to the number of charge carriers, that is, the number of electrons or holes. Okay, it has to their numbers. Alright, then the second factor that we need to consider is that every impurity introduces a scattering potential to the movement of the charge carriers, and that lowers mobility. And this is true regardless of if an impurity adds to the charge carrier or not. Okay, so conductivity of a semiconductor, let me just put C, okay, is a product of carriers times mobility. Okay, so the net effect depends on how many of the impurities are there and what kind of impurities they are. So in most cases is that increasing the impurities concentration increases the conductivity. Okay, good. So now let us take a look at the options. A, it has no effect. This is incorrect. It is increased. The conductivity is increased. Yes. C says it fluctuates. No. And D says it is decreased. Not at all. So answer option B is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.